I've posted numerous forex pairs and gold robot related videos on my channel, so in this video, I'll be focusing on a Bitcoin robot for a change. It is called Bitcoin Robot, and some say this is the best Bitcoin EA in the MQL5 market. It says this robot employs a sophisticated algorithmic approach, which includes price action, trend as well as 2 personalized indicators, to analyze market and execute trades swiftly with 5 minutes time frame. Looks like it has news filter. And unlike Forex, the Bitcoin market is open 7 days a week, so the EA will trade all 7 days. And it is free from grid, martingale, or hedging strategies. That said, after a loss, it may double the lot size for recovery. If you are wondering which time frame it trades in, it is 5 minutes. This is weird, since it is a non-martingale EA. I was guessing it needed small capital, but here it says it needs a minimum of $1,000. And you can use this EA in all types of accounts. This time for backtest I will use MT5, as MT4 backtest is not that reliable. The pair will be BTC USD. Time frame is 5 minutes. The backtest will be for 1 whole year. For deposit, I will use $1,000. In 1 year backtest, the EA profited $1,020.76 from a $1,000 capital, which translates to 102.08% gain. The drawdown was shockingly low, coming in at just 6.79%.